To cast on, you're going to go ahead and start by making a slip knot here, and then slipping one of your needles into that slip knot and tightening it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my second needle and stick it through that first loop, going from left to right. And then I'm going to take my yarn and wrap it around counterclockwise. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull my needle up and over the other needle, keeping that new loop on there. And then I'm going to pass my loop from my right needle to my left needle, and then go ahead and tighten that loop up. So again, you're going to insert your needle left to right, pass the yarn around counterclockwise, slide the loop onto your right needle, and then pass it to your left needle. You'll want to repeat these steps until you have the number of stitches you need for your project. And that's how you cast on.